If you're a little lost on how to make money on Pinterest, then keep reading to learn how to turn the visual discovery engine into a revenue generating machine. Pinterest recently reported a 6% decrease in global monthly active users year over year. Does that mean it's losing its relevance? Hardly. Pinterest still has 431 million users across the globe, and the audience is consuming almost 1 billion videos per day on Pinterest. The revenue opportunities for businesses and influencers are undeniable. Can you make money on Pinterest? Yes, especially if you are a blogger, influencer, or e-commerce business. There are several different ways to make money on Pinterest, and which tactics work all depends on your business and your strategy. For e-commerce or product-based businesses, Pinterest is a great place to catch the eye of customers in the research phase. 85% of pinners, the affectionate term for people who use Pinterest, say the platform is the first place they go to start a new project. They are looking for inspiration, so it's the perfect platform to showcase your products. If you're a blogger or an influencer, then Pinterest can help drive traffic to your website. It helps not to think of Pinterest as a traditional social media platform. Instead, think of it as another search engine like Google. You want to combine SEO strategies and intriguing pins to help pinners find your content and click on the link to your site. Once on your website, you can redirect them to subscribe to your email list, purchase products, or some other call to action. There are a couple of ways you can use Pinterest to make money. For businesses and influencers looking to monetize their Pinterest channel, watch on for foolproof money-making strategies you can start implementing today. How to make money on Pinterest. 1. Drive traffic with ads. You have to spend money to make money sometimes. Organic reach can only accomplish so much. For added reach, throw some ad dollars behind your pins. Promoted pins can be optimized to meet different goals like increasing traffic or growing your Pinterest followers. Promoted pins look just like regular pins, and they are placed in your target audience's home feed, category feeds, and search results. There are different types of ads available, like shopping ads, which are pulled directly from your product catalog. Don't worry, we have a simple guide on all things related to Pinterest ads if you need help picking the right type. But are ads worth the investment? Let's take a look at how Nina & Co. fared when it decided to turn its product catalog into Pinterest ads. The sustainable handbag brand was able to reach a whole new audience interested in zero waste and ethically sourced products. It resulted in an 8 times increase in return on ad spend and cost 34% compared to other platforms. 2. Let shoppers purchase directly on Pinterest. For brands with an e-commerce offering, Pinterest is a natural opportunity to drive traffic and sales. Use pins to showcase your goods and direct followers back to your website to shop or use Pinterest shopping tool to purchase directly on the app. The in-app checkout is only available to a limited number of merchants. If you do qualify, you're in for a real treat. Pinners can discover your product and buy it without having to leave Pinterest. This streamlines the customer journey and makes it easier than ever to purchase products on Pinterest. Who qualifies for in-app checkout? You'll need to meet the following criteria. You use the Shopify app. Shopify store has a US billing address. Only has Shopify feeds, meaning you don't have active non-Shopify feeds uploaded to Pinterest. Accepts returns. Has an email address for customer support inquiries. Exceeds monthly checkout conversion threshold. Meets merchant guidelines. Once you're approved for the in-app feature, your product pins will have a buy button appear below the pins. When someone clicks it, they'll be able to pick product details like size or color. Then they'll get redirected to a checkout page within the Pinterest app. Even if you don't have the in-app checkout feature available to you yet, you can still create eye-catching pins and direct viewers to visit your website to buy the product. 3. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing isn't just reserved for blogs. You can also use your direct affiliate links to connect the pins. By sharing your affiliate links on Pinterest, you can earn a commission on sales if pinners make a purchase. Of course, you can also direct people to affiliate-related content, like your blog post or videos, to warm up your audience before they purchase. Here are some tips and tricks to become a successful affiliate. 1. Create board themes. You can't just create a bunch of unrelated affiliate links, throw them together on the same board, and then expect results. It's best to thoughtfully curate pins around a central theme. This helps pinners discover an overall vision and decide if they want the pinned items to replicate the aesthetics or ideas. 2. Write thoughtful descriptions. You'll want to express why the affiliate links or pins are important, as well as related keywords and hashtags for Pinterest to use in search results. 3. Be authentic. No one likes it when all you do is promote affiliate links. You need to create pins and boards that authentically represent your brand. 4. Use high-quality content. We'll get more into what makes a perfect pin later, but one can't skimp on making inspirational or thought-provoking images or videos for your pins. 5. Follow relevant guidelines on affiliate marketing. Pinterest may block you if it thinks you're spamming the platform, so it's best to keep updated with Pinterest's affiliate guidelines and local regulations like the U.S. Federal Trade Commission's endorsement guidelines to ensure compliance. 4. Partner with the brand. Influencers and brands go together like peanut butter and jelly. That's why Pinterest has a paid partnership tool to make it easier for influencers and brands to collaborate and provide transparency about their partnership. Here's how it works. Make an idea pin in the app, add the paid partnership label by tagging the brand, then they approve the tag, and voila! Your pin now has the brand name listed at the bottom. That's all from this channel for today, folks. For more similar content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.